entire bathroom is made of cardboard boxes. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In our previous video, we show you how to make cardboard miniature kitchen. You can check that video from the card above or link in the description below. I am making a complete replica of my apartment with the cardboard boxes, and today I am covering the bathroom area adjacent to my kitchen. This is the bathroom area. At first, we are pasting this tile print on the wall and floor of the bathroom section. The total size of this cardboard is 19 by 10 inch. It is the front wall for 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. First, we are pasting the tile print for the bathroom wall and then A4 white paper for the other 2 walls. From the flip side, we are cutting out the glass part in the window frame. I am using this non-transparent plastic adhesive for the bathroom glass. And cardboard lining as window frame. For other 2 rooms, we are using transparent plastic as glasses. Time to join the wall. This is the partition wall between bathroom and sink. We are cutting the door area and again pasting this thin paper line to join it with the wall. It works as a door hinge. Using cardboard lining as usual for the door frame. This yellow paper lining is just for design. This is door handle. Now we are fixing the partition wall. We are using this cardboard to extend the wall portion in the sink area as in the original structure. Fold it and paste it like this. Time to make the bath area. The shower and tap are made from wire. Bath area is partitioned using the plastic sheet. Handles are made from metal clip like this. We are fixing this partition in the cardboard and joining it on the base. We have prepared this commode out of the toilet paper roll. We are making the sink area. Paste the marble print and cut the sink area. Fit the sink. We are preparing the base cabinet. The base cabinet with sink is ready. We have prepared tap out of metal clip. Now it's time to make the wall cabinet with mirror. For the mirror look, we have pasted tea bag foil. To pass the light through it, we have made a hole in the side wall to pass the wire. Paste it in the wall. Toilet paper stand and roll. Towel holder and towel. Bathroom towel. The final look. Thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos like this. See you soon.